How to change phone number in Agoda. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to the official website at agoda.com. On the top right corner, click on Sign in and log into your Agoda account using your email, Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. Once you are signed in, click on your profile icon at the top right and select the profile option. Here you will see your personal details such as your name, email address, phone number, and password. To update your phone number, click on the edit button next to the phone field, enter your new number, and then hit continue. Agoda may send a verification code to your new phone number. Enter the code when prompted to confirm the change. After verification, your new phone number will be updated instantly in your Agoda profile. From now on, all booking updates, confirmation, and important travel notifications will be sent to your updated number. Keeping your phone number up to date ensures smooth communication with Agoda, secure account recovery, and easy access to booking details. Now you know how to change your phone number in Agoda. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.